When it comes to weight loss programs, there are so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. And so if you're anything like me, you've probably tried a few and wondered if any of them really work long-term. That's why I wanted to take a closer look at Weight Watchers, now known as WW, and see if it still lives up to the hype in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll get into Weight Watchers, covering everything that you need to know, like how it works, its features, pricing, and whether it can really help you reach your weight loss goals. And as always, I'll also be sharing my personal thoughts to help you decide if Weight Watchers is the right fit for you. And if at any point you decide to give Weight Watchers a try, you can check out the affiliate link I've left in the description down below, and you might even get a deal that you won't find directly on their website. And so let's get right into it. Okay, so Weight Watchers, or WW as they're now known as, have been around since the 1960s and have been helping people lose weight and live healthier lives. The company's goal is to give people an easy, flexible way to control their weight that doesn't make them feel limited. They don't push any specific diets or require you to buy special foods. Instead, they focus on making long-term lifestyle changes that can work for anyone, whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking to maintain a healthier way of living. That being said, let's go through how Weight Watchers works. So first, you'll head on over to their website or app and sign up for an account. When you start, they'll ask you a few questions about your weight loss goals, activity level, and preferences. And based on that, you'll get a personalized plan that gives you a set amount of points to spend on food every day. Now, every food and drink has a points value, and your goal is to stay within your daily points while eating foods that you enjoy. Also, healthier options like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins have low points, so they're easier to fit into your plan. And so the great thing is, you don't have to give up your favorite foods. You can still enjoy them, just in moderation. What's even better is that there are over 200 zero-point foods like eggs, chicken, and non-starchy veggies that don't count toward your daily limit. So if you're hungry, you can always fill up on those without using any points. And the app makes tracking your meals super easy with features like a barcode scanner for quick logging, a meal planner, and even restaurant options if you're eating out. You can also set fitness goals and earn extra points for being active. Besides that, if you need more support, they offer workshops and one-on-one coaching either online or in person, so you're never on this journey alone. It's all about making healthy choices that fit into your lifestyle without feeling restricted. Okay, so now that we know more about their app and point system, let's talk about their plans and pricing. They've got a few different options depending on how long you want to commit, and they're all pretty flexible. The best value option is their buy 6 get 12 months plan. This is the best deal because you're basically getting 6 months for free. You'll pay $11 per month for the first 12 months, which saves you $164 over the course of the year. After that, your membership will auto-renew at $23 per month. And if you don't want to commit to a full year, there's also the 6-month plan. With this one, you'll pay $15 per month for the first 6 months, saving you $68 compared to the monthly plan. After 6 months, it auto-renews at $23 per month. And if you just want to try it out for a month, you can go with a 1-month plan. It's $23 per month, and you'll also need to pay a one-time starter fee of $20, bringing your total for the first month to $43. After that, it auto-renews at $23 per month until you cancel it. And all these plans give you full access to the Weight Watchers point system, their app, a library of over 12,000 recipes, zero-point foods, and tools like the barcode scanner and restaurant search, so you can easily track your meals and stay on top of your progress. Plus, the best part is, you can cancel or switch plans at any time. And again, if Weight Watchers sounds like a good fit for you, you can check out the affiliate link I've left in the description down below, and you might even get a deal that you won't find directly on their website. Okay, so Weight Watchers have been around for a long time, and overall, the feedback they've received from users is pretty positive. The points system is very flexible, which is something that a lot of people like. It lets them still eat their favorite foods without feeling deprived, which can make sticking to the program a lot easier. Also, a lot of people really like the app because of how easy it is to track their meals, scan barcodes for quick logging, and even look up restaurant menu items when they're eating out. It's all about making it simple to stay on track. On top of that, users also like that there are over 200 zero-point foods, like fruits and lean proteins, that they can eat without worrying about going over their points limit. For many, it's more about learning how to eat in a healthier way than it is about dieting. But just like any service, there's also some drawbacks. And so, for example, the point system can take a bit of time to get used to, especially if you're new to tracking your meals. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Another thing is the app, which some users find overwhelming at first due to the many features it offers, but with a little exploration, it quickly becomes a valuable tool that makes tracking so much easier. And so overall, I'd say that the pros definitely outweigh the cons. The support through workshops or online coaching really helps people stay motivated, and the sense of community within the app is something many users say keeps them going. At the end of the day, Weight Watchers has helped a lot of people lose weight and live healthier lifestyles without feeling like they're on a strict diet. So, wrapping up this review, if you're asking whether I would recommend Weight Watchers or WW, I absolutely would. Weight Watchers has proven itself to be a versatile, sustainable weight loss program that can fit into a variety of lifestyles. The flexibility of the point systems means you can still enjoy the foods you love while staying on track. And the app makes it easy to log meals, set goals, and stay accountable. And what I really like about Weight Watchers is how it doesn't require you to buy specific foods or follow a restrictive diet. It's all about balance and making healthier choices that work for you. The added support from workshops, coaches, and the online community also makes it feel like you're never going through the journey alone. That said, if you're looking for a flexible, user-friendly program that fits into your daily routine without feeling like it's a strict diet, Weight Watchers is definitely worth trying out. Whether you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthier lifestyle, I think Weight Watchers can be a great option for almost anyone. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if Weight Watchers sounds like a good fit for you, you can check out the affiliate link I've left in the description down below, and you might even get a deal that you won't find directly on their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.